welcome to Mathematics, Unit 1, Relations. Consider a set A which is equal to 1, 2, 3 and another set B with elements A, B, C. We can take a cross product of A with B as A cross B is equal to 1 with A, 1 with B, 1 with C, 2 with A, 2 with B, 2 with C, 3 with A, 3 with B and 3 with C. These ordered pairs form cross product of A cross B. Now, a relation is a subset of this A cross B. Suppose if I consider R as the relation, R is the subset of A cross B. Now, how will it be? For example, let me consider R to be equal to set of all ordered pairs whose first element is 1. So, what are they? It is 1 with A, 1 with B and 1 with C. So, this is a subset. Now, you can consider yet another subset R whose second element is A. So, R is equal to 1 with A, 2 with A and 3 with A. So, this is also an example for relation. What do we see here? In both the examples, we find that the first element is picked up from A. First element belongs to A and the second element belongs to B. Thus, A which is equal to 1, 2, 3 is the domain. A is the domain and the set B which is equal to A, B, C is the range. Thus, we have seen a relation R, set of all ordered pairs A, B, a relation with set of all ordered pairs A, B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. If we consider the first element becoming the second element and second element becoming the first element, then what will be the nature of the relation? It is the inverse relation. Now, here we have seen that first element belongs to A and second element belongs to B. But if we consider B, A, of course, A belongs to A and B belongs to B. But if we consider B, A, then such a relation is denoted by R inverse, or we call it as the inverse relation, and it is equal to the set of all B, A such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. For example, now in the above example itself, or in the above set A, B, now we can have if R is equal to 1, 2 and 2, 2, what will be R inverse? R inverse is equal to 2, 1 and 2, 2. Yes. So, if R is given to be equal to A, B with A belonging to A and B belonging to B, then the set B, A is specifically called the inverse relation. Let us see some of the types of relations and problems related to them in the next video.